Easy, quick, and practical, this is one of the best AI image enhancers that can upscale your images up to 8K. It can also remove text or unwanted objects and even convert your images into different formats. On top of that, it comes with a variety of other AI-powered tools. If you stick with me, I'll introduce them and test as many as time allows. So without wasting any time, let's jump in and get started. To download the software, head over to the Wondershare website using the link in the description and download UniConverter 17 for free. The installation process is super simple and hassle-free, and it won't take much time to get everything up and running. On the home page, you'll find a wide range of tools available through quick access, most of which are very useful for content creators. I've already reviewed some of them, like the video enhancer, compressor, and a few others, in a separate video. I've placed the link to that video up here, so feel free to check it out. But today, I want to start with the image enhancer. This tool is extremely easy to use and doesn't involve any complicated steps. All you need to do is import your images, and you can do this either individually or by importing an entire folder. One of the great features of UniConverter is batch processing, which allows you to enhance and upscale a large number of images at the same time and export them all together. In the next step, you need to decide which AI model works best for your images and delivers the best results. The first option here is Auto Enhancer, and you can use it for almost any type of image, whether it's a city landscape, animals, or even portraits. It automatically applies the best possible enhancement by reducing noise and making the image clearer. As you can see, there's also a preview button that lets you check the result before exporting, so you can make sure everything looks right before finalizing. This is really useful because you can test all the AI models on your image without spending any credits and then choose the best one. And finally, just like I mentioned earlier, you can export all of your enhanced images at once using batch processing. Now, if your image is a portrait and includes a visible face, you can use the face enhancer to add more clarity and detail to the skin. As you can see here, it does a really solid job of recovering fine details and noticeably improving the overall quality. I'll test it on another image as well, just so you can see that the results are consistent and not just a one-time thing. You can also increase the resolution of these images or any other image and upscale them all the way up to 2K, 4K, and even 8K. What's really impressive is that during the upscaling process, the image is enhanced at the same time. As you can see, it does a great job, and you can be confident that you're not losing quality in the process. I've also upscaled the rest of the enhanced images to 8K using the same method, and you can see the results here. Personally, I think they look great. You can also check the final resolution and file size right down here at the bottom of the page. The next two AI models are designed specifically for restoring and repairing old images, and they can be incredibly useful. The first one is Basic Repair, which can remove scratches, stains, and discoloration to revive the image's original appearance. This model is mainly used for lighter restoration tasks. The second one, Advanced Repair, goes a step further. Along with fixing damage, it also enhances the overall quality and fully refines the details. As you can see, it has reconstructed the image with a high level of detail and even restored the colors to some extent. Take a look at these next two examples as well. In my opinion, the results are impressive. Overall, this model can bring photos that would normally be considered unusable back to life and make them usable again. I think both of these models are especially useful for restoring old family photo albums and nostalgic memories. The image colorization section is really cool and does an excellent job of restoring colors in photos. For example, the first AI model can colorize black and white images in a way that looks like they were originally shot in color. Honestly, I really like this one and think it has a lot of practical use. And if you don't need full colorization, you can use the other model instead. It keeps the original colors intact while enhancing and improving them. The next tool I want to test for you is the Watermark Remover. You've definitely needed this more than once, and you already know how helpful it can be. Here, you can use it not only for images, but also for videos. You can easily remove watermarks from images using this tool as well. Another useful feature worth mentioning is that you can remove objects or any unwanted parts of an image that you feel are unnecessary. This tool also fully supports batch processing and batch export, which can significantly speed up your workflow. The converter tool included in this software is also really solid. You can use it for videos, which I've already explained and tested in detail in another video. I've linked that video for you up here. You can also use the converter for images. Here you can open multiple images at once and process them simultaneously. All the most common and widely used formats are supported. On top of that, you can change image sizes and aspect ratios, and if needed, you can even crop, flip, or rotate your images. Overall, I think UniConverter can be a very efficient and reliable assistant for your workflow. If you think you need it, make sure to check out their website. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, stay creative.